Baking soda water daily. What really happens to your body? Baking soda water daily sounds harmless, almost too simple to matter. Small habits can shift daily comfort. I did not start this for trends. It began during a phase of heavy meals and stress. Digestion felt slow. Energy dipped in the afternoon. I wanted to understand, not assume. Why people notice effects quickly. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It reacts with stomach acid. Simple science in one line. It temporarily neutralizes excess acidity. The National Institutes of Health describe bicarbonate as a fast-acting antacid. This is chemistry, not hype. 1. Reduced stomach acidity discomfort. Acid pressure may feel lighter for some people, especially after heavy or late meals. The Mayo Clinic notes occasional use can reduce heartburn sensations. 2. Calmer digestion response. Less acid irritation can ease stomach tension. This may reduce bloating temporarily. 3. Short-term relief from acid reflux symptoms, not prevention. Not long-term correction, just short relief when used carefully. 4. Improved exercise buffering. In some cases, sports medicine studies discuss bicarbonate for reducing acid buildup during intense exercise, only under supervision. 5. Reduced metallic or sour taste in mouth. Acid reflux often causes this symptom. Neutralization may reduce it briefly. 6. Potential support for kidney acid balance. Some clinical discussions mention bicarbonate in managing metabolic acidosis. This is medical use, not casual routine. 7. Increased awareness of digestive triggers. Tracking reactions teaches food sensitivity patterns. This benefit is often overlooked. Important dose. Reality. More is not better. Common discussion suggests about half a teaspoon in water. Effects depend on body weight and health. Clear limitations. This does not fix digestion long-term. It masks symptoms, not causes. Who should avoid daily use? People with high blood pressure, those with kidney or heart conditions. The World Health Organization warns against excess sodium intake. Possible side effects: gas, bloating, electrolyte imbalance. Daily use without guidance increases risk. How I approached it safely: never daily without breaks, never on a full stomach, always diluted fully in water. I tracked digestion, energy, and sleep. Patterns showed benefits were situational. Foods that support balance: better oats absorb excess acid naturally. Leafy greens support digestion gently. These work slower but safer. Moderation. Reminder: not every body responds the same way. Doctor consultation. Note: always consult a doctor before routine use, especially if managing chronic conditions. Tracking real progress. Monitor digestion comfort. Watch sodium intake. Overall health improvement is subtle, not dramatic. Final message: knowledge prevents misuse. Use understanding before using habits. If this helped, tap like and interact naturally.